Marriage is not just about reaching a certain age or fulfilling societal expectations. It demands emotional and mental maturity, an understanding of transcends the idealistic notion of love, and a deliberate preparation for a lifetime commitment. In Christian marriage, this preparation is rooted in the remote, proximate, and immediate stage, each focusing on personal relation and spiritual growth. This reflection evaluates my readiness for marriage through these stages. In the context of Christian marriage, maturity takes on a deeper spiritual meaning. Remote's preparation involves Christian, Christian and love maturity, which includes understanding oneself, embracing chastity, and deepening one's faith in God. I recognize areas of growth, especially in cultivating virtues like patience and self awareness, to prepare myself for a lifelong responsibility of marriage. Proximate preparation focuses on building meaningful relationships through dating, courtship, and engagement, which help couples discern compatibility. I understand that fostering trust, open communication, and shared values are essential in this stage. Although I have yet to experience this fully, I am guided by a principle of mutual respect and Christ centered love. Immediate preparation emphasizes canon- canonical, legal, and spiritual readiness, ensuring that both individuals are equipped to enter marriage with full consent, knowledge, and alignment with God's plan. While I am not at this stage, I appreciate the importance of prayer, discernment, and readiness for the sacrament nature of marriage. I now recognize I now recognize that marriage is a lifelong commitment that requires not just emotional and mental maturity, but also spiritual preparedness. It calls for a selfless love that reflects Christ's love for the church, a love that is forgiving, faithful, and enduring. I have learned that this commitment entails openness to life, shared responsibilities, and dedication to growth together as one in faith and love. As I reflect on my personal readiness, I see the need to continue maturing emotionally, spiritually, and relationally. Preparing for marriage is a journey that challenges me to embrace virtues like patience, self-control, and selflessness, while deepening my relationship with God. With this understanding, I pray the grace to grow into a person who can respond fully to the vocation of marriage, ready to build a family ground in love and the sacredness of God's plan.